Have you ever wondered why that thick, sticky mucus returns every single morning without fail? For millions of seniors, this isn't just a temporary annoyance. It's become a dreaded morning ritual that's stealing their quality of life. The persistent hacking, the embarrassing throat clearing, that troublesome feeling that something's lodged deep in your chest. Most people dismiss it as just aging or lingering cold that won't go away. But here's what might shock you. Chronic mucus production isn't an inevitable part of growing older. It's frequently your body screaming for help. And when you ignore these signals or treat them incorrectly, you could be making things dangerously worse. If you're between 55 and 85 and exhausted from starting each day coughing and congested, this video was created specifically for you. By the end, you'll not only understand what's triggering your symptoms, but discover actionable solutions you can implement tonight. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, because what you're about to learn could transform your mornings forever. Reason 1. Post-nasal. Drip the silent morning thief. Here's what's happening inside your sinuses that nobody talks about. As we age, our nasal passages gradually lose moisture. Those microscopic hairs called cilia that once efficiently swept away irritants, they're moving slower now. The result? Mucus that should drain normally instead trickles down your throat all night long. You wake up with that maddening tickle. You clear your throat repeatedly. You swallow hard. But the sensation stubbornly remains. This isn't like cold or flu mucus that resolves in weeks. This persists for months, even years. I met Margaret, a vibrant 76-year-old who stopped attending her book club because of constant throat clearing. I felt like everyone was staring at me. She confided, I was the woman who couldn't stop coughing. But here's what changed everything for her. She discovered her bedroom's winter heating had dropped humidity to desert levels. After adding a simple humidifier and elevating her pillow slightly, her morning mucus disappeared within 2 weeks. The emotional toll of post-nasal drip goes deeper than physical discomfort. It chips away at your confidence. You avoid phone calls, skip social gatherings, feel embarrassed during intimate moments, but you're not helpless. Consider these questions. Is your bedroom air too dry? Are you using nasal sprays that might be causing rebound congestion? Could acid reflux be triggering nighttime drainage? Small changes, warm lemon water upon waking, proper bedroom humidity, sleeping position adjustments can create dramatic improvements. Reason 2. Hidden acid. Reflux, the nighttime invader. This might surprise you. That morning mucus might not be coming from your respiratory system at all. It could be your stomach secretly attacking your throat while you sleep. Silent reflux affects 60% of adults over 60, yet most never connect it to their morning symptoms. Unlike typical heartburn, silent reflux creeps up without chest pain. Instead, tiny amounts of stomach acid travel upward during sleep, irritating your throat and triggering protective mucus production. Teresa, 68, battled chronic bronchitis for months. Multiple doctors, countless tests. No answers. Then she tried sleeping with her upper body elevated and stopped eating within 3 hours of bedtime. Her morning mucus vanished completely. Her problem wasn't respiratory, it was digestive. As we age, the valve between stomach and esophagus weakens. Lying flat at night, gravity can't keep acid where it belongs. Each acid exposure triggers your body's firefighter response, coating everything with protective mucus. The emotional impact? You feel powerless. You're doing everything right, eating well, staying active, yet every morning brings the same miserable routine. People don't understand. They dismiss it as just aging. So you stop explaining, stop hoping for relief. But you deserve better. Try these approaches. Elevate your bed's head 4 to 6 inches. Avoid late-night snacking, especially acidic foods. Sip warm ginger tea after dinner. Discuss silent reflux specifically with your doctor. Sometimes the solution isn't more medication, it's smarter lifestyle habits. Reason 3. Dry indoor. Air the hidden saboteur. Here's what sounds backwards but is absolutely true. Dry air actually increases mucus production. When heated homes strip moisture from the air, your delicate airways become irritated. Your body floods the area with mucus for protection. Walter, 72, fought thick morning mucus for over a year. He tried everything: allergy medications, dairy elimination, even changing toothpaste. Then his daughter bought him a bedroom humidifier. Within 1 week, his mucus was half as severe. Within 2 weeks, it vanished. That's the power of proper humidity. You can't see it, smell it, or touch it, but your body desperately needs it. This proves especially critical for older adults because mucous membranes naturally become drier with age. Many medications, antihistamines, blood pressure pills, diuretics cause dehydration. Our body's moisture regulation weakens over time. The emotional toll? This mucus appears from nowhere. You feel fine at bedtime, wake up congested. It erodes confidence, makes you reluctant to go out, even answer phone calls. The solution might be sitting on a pharmacy shelf for $30, a simple humidifier. Check your beer environment. Is there a humidifier in your bedroom? Are you drinking water before bed and upon waking? Is your home's humidity between 40 to 50%? These small modifications can make tremendous differences. When your body feels supported, it stops overproducing protective mucus. Reason 4. Medications, the double-edged sword. Here's a harsh reality. The very medications keeping you healthy might be causing your morning mucus. Common culprits include ACE inhibitors for blood pressure, cause dry cough in 20% of users. Antihistamines that paradoxically thicken mucus, diuretics that dehydrate your airways. Some antidepressants affecting mucus production. Robert, 74, took the same blood pressure medication for years without issues. Then suddenly, persistent morning cough and mucus. His doctor switched him to a different medication. Class problem solved within days. Never stop medications without medical supervision, but do have honest conversations with your doctor about timing adjustments, morning versus evening doses, alternative medications with fewer respiratory side effects, combining lifestyle changes to potentially reduce medication needs. Not being difficult by advocating for your comfort. You're being smart about your health. Reason 5. Age-related changes. But not what you think. Yes, aging affects mucus production, but not in the way most people assume. It's not that you produce more mucus, it's that your body can't clear it efficiently anymore. Your cilia slow down. Your cough reflex weakens. Mucus that once moved easily now pools and thickens. But here's the empowering truth. Understanding these changes gives you power to compensate. Simple strategies that work. Stay hydrated, 8 glasses daily minimum. Use saline rinses to help clear passages. Practice controlled coughing techniques. Keep moving. Gentle exercise helps mucus drainage the path forward. Your action plan if you felt embarrassed by constant throat clearing, frustrated by never-ending mucus, or scared something seriously wrong. Hear this. You're not alone. You're not broken. You don't have to accept this as just aging. Your body is asking for support through these symptoms. With small adjustments, you can breathe easier again. Tonight, try one change. Add a humidifier to your bedroom. Elevate your bed slightly. Stop eating 3 hours before sleep. Schedule a medication review with your doctor. Every step counts. No matter how small, you deserve to wake up clear, comfortable, and ready to embrace your day. Your mornings don't have to begin with coughing and frustration. Comment below with the number that resonates most with your situation. Share what you'll try first. If this helped you, please like and share with someone who needs this information. Subscribe for more evidence-based health solutions designed specifically for thriving after 60. Remember, you have the power to take control of your well-being. Your best mornings are ahead of you.